Hello everyone, Nasser here from Financial Markets Club. We're going to look at Bitcoin. As I mentioned in previous videos, I'm going to use Bitcoin as a sort of proxy for the crypto market, being the leader in the market and being quite a young market. Bitcoin obviously sort of dominates and everything tends to sort of follow. So yeah, on my last video I was saying how Bitcoin could bottom out around the 16,000-ish level. And so on, but it didn't fall much lower than around the 18,000-ish mark. However, it's been struggling to sort of head back up. I mean, this just looks ridiculous, to be honest. Volatility on Bitcoin has just dropped so much. And if we look across the board on cryptos, we'll see some of the smaller ones sort of shooting up, and the ones with more liquidity not really moving much. So on my last video I actually had a trend line somewhere around here, but I'm actually changing this because I'm not so sure Bitcoin is ready to head up. I'm a little bit concerned about the lack of movement, shall I say, in the crypto market. On another video I was talking about how the Nasdaq could be looking at quite a substantial drop back to its lows near around the 11,000-ish level, and I think most would agree that there is some sort of correlation between the crypto Bitcoin market with Nasdaq. There seems to be some sort of I don't know, Bitcoin seems to be following the Nasdaq market-ish kind of thing. So if the Nasdaq's coming down, then I would suspect there's a high possibility that Bitcoin will also be coming down. Even just by looking at my charts, I'm just not comfortable saying that we should be buying Bitcoin just yet. So for now, I'm expecting potentially more downward movement, possibly around close to around the 15,000-ish level, or even lower. Who knows, about 10,000. If we do get there, if we do come lower than the last low around this 18,000-ish level, then I would consider this as a good buy opportunity, to be honest, because it's just a matter of time until this sort of dips way too low and a ton of buyers come in and they just push Bitcoin right back up. So let's see how it goes. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.